First, make the ground flat. You can make a slope easy for discharge. Surrounded by red bricks. Underground drain, pipe and drain device. Install the galvanized tank. Put the screw inside and tighten. Tighten the screw. Lay the tarpaulin flat. Flatten the tarpaulin about 20-30 cm. Let the edges flatten the tarpaulin. Cut a circle on the drainage device. Wipe the drain bottom clean. Apply glass glue around the edges. Uniform without gaps. Prevent water leakage. Press the cover on the glue. Use screws connected. Finished.